An old dog can't learn new tricks unless they've learnt neuroscience. Hello, it's Penny from Neurocapability. I was having a little think the other day, and one of the things that someone said to me was a leopard doesn't change their spots. You know those sayings that we often talk about and say to different people, oh, you know, a leopard doesn't change their spots. Well, a leopard actually can change its spots if it's learnt neuroscience, which I thought was hysterical. And I really wanted to share it with you because one of those things, we say these things, but the beautiful thing about neuroscience is neuroplasticity and how we actually can change our wiring. We can change who we are, what we do, how we react to things, and we really can change our spots. And the other saying that is quite prevalent out there is an old dog can't learn new tricks unless they've learnt neuroscience and they apply all of the wonderful strategies of neuroscience. So just a little thought that I wanted to ponder with you and share with you. So next time someone says an old dog can't learn new tricks, you can say, yeah, but they haven't learnt neuroscience yet. Or a leopard doesn't change their spots. Well, they actually can when they've learnt neuroscience. So just sharing some thoughts.